Precision craftsmanship in motion. Explore the A6061 machining journey, from raw material to masterpiece. Witness the meticulous process of transforming a 6061 aluminum alloy into precision engineered components. Every step is a dance of precision and expertise. Cutting and CNC machining. Our state-of-the-art CNC machines bring 6061 to life with precision and accuracy. Each cut is a testament to the seamless marriage of technology and craftsmanship. Intricate detailing. Delve into the world of intricate detailing as our skilled machinists sculpt the 6061 into finely tuned components. The devil is in the detail, and we master every curve and contour. Quality inspection. Precision is not just a promise, it's our guarantee. Our quality inspection process ensures that every 6061 component highest industry standards before leaving our facility.